Mastering transitive phrasal verbs, your key to fluent English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of transitive phrasal verbs. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify, understand, and confidently use these types of verbs in your English communication. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are a combination of a base verb and one or more particles, which are usually prepositions or adverbs. When we say a phrasal verb is transitive, it means that it requires an object to make sense. For instance, in the sentence, "She turned off the light," "turned off" is a transitive phrasal verb with the light acting as its object. Without the light, the sentence wouldn't make complete sense. Now that we know what transitive phrasal verbs are, let's look at some common examples. We have verbs like pick up, as in, "Can you pick up the groceries?" or set aside, like, "You should set aside some time for relaxation." These are transitive because they need an object to convey a complete idea. What's fascinating about these verbs is that they can take on different meanings based on their context. For instance, "I give up" and "I give up chocolate" have different meanings even though the verb is the same. In the first sentence, "give up" means surrender, whereas in the second, it means stop consuming something. It's also important to know that transitive phrasal verbs can be either separable or inseparable. Separable phrasal verbs allow the object to come between the verb and the particle, like in, "I turned the light off." Inseparable phrasal verbs do not allow this. The object must come after the particle, as in, "I looked after the baby." Understanding and using transitive phrasal verbs can truly take your English to the next level. They add nuance and authenticity to your communication, helping you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using these verbs effortlessly in your everyday conversation. Thank you for joining me in this lesson, and remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Keep going.